At this time last year, we had no idea the extent of a major windstorm that was about to barrel its way toward Missoula from the Bitterroot Valley. In the end, it was short, but it was fierce. In fact, here we are a year later, we're still cleaning up. MTN's Emily Brown has the updates now on the cleanup and the cost.
It's a big deal. Approximately 30,000 trees in an inventory, and over a quarter of them received damage.
On July 24th, 2024, a storm with a magnitude many Missoulians had never seen before tore through the urban forest.
The scale of damage was something that I had never experienced.
No part of town was left unscathed.
We had staff out all night. We were in just triage mode, trying to get roads open so that EMS could make it to people's houses, trying to get trees off of cars and people's personal property, all those priorities, and trying to assist Northwestern Energy where we could to get power back on.
365 days later, and there's still cleanup to do.
Currently have one last contract out that is FEMA eligible for uprooted stumps and boulevards. There's a dozen and a half of those still out there.
Missoula's Office of Emergency Management previously told MTN that the windstorm cost the city and county collectively $5.5 million. And since a state of emergency was declared, FEMA will cover 75% of the cost. It's up to the city to decide how the remaining 25% will be covered.
The contracts that I managed were in the $1 million range, and that was hanger removal, tree removal, both in boulevards and parks. The debris grinding and disposal was really expensive, and Public Works managed that contract. It was about $1.8 million.
Even though we've hit the year mark from the storm, there's still a long road ahead to reinvigorate the urban forest.
We saw failures in all species of tree. I think that we're going to be identifying trees for removal, doing what we can to remove stumps and replant for probably the next 6 to 10 years, assuming we don't have another big weather event that takes all of our funding and defers us for another extended period of time.